El agua es la vida. Taos SWCD was founded in 1941 and has a long history of assisting the local acequia associations and comerciantes with irrigation improvement projects. In fact, acequia projects account for approximately 2/3 of all assistance requests received by the district. Taos SWCD utilizes experienced staff and consultants, as well as the state-of-the-art technology to enhance the design and inspection departments contained within its acequia construction cost-share program. Nuestra agua, nuestra vida.
So a farmer would be able to adjust how much water they want. If the 10 inch becomes too much for them, they could get more or less.
The purpose of the root crop is to help control erosion. Taos SWCD has two acequia programs. Our first program is our Group Acequia program. This program is for officially recognized acequia entities located within Taos County only. Our second program is our Individual Acequia program. This program is for individual landowners who both own land within Taos County and are actively using this land for agricultural purposes. Further information for either of these programs can be found on our website, tswcd.org.